Hey guys, hey, what's going on? How y'all doing? I just got to the beach and you know, just thinking about life and how beautiful things are. I'm gonna go out here and I got some good food, some sushi, feeling great, you know. So just want to talk to y'all for a second, tell y'all a little bit about life. In life, you're gonna have ups and downs. Make the most out of both, because that's the journey of life. You know, we buy these cars, these houses, whatever you're doing in life, you know, it's all just a journey. But I'm going to tell you something. Sometimes the journey items that you get aren't reliable. You know, we call them lemons. And you know the old saying, you know, you got to make these lemons in a lemonade or whatever they say. That means even if you buy something that's not that great, as long as you have that vision is what's going to make it great. You know, put the effort, the strive, everything into it. Not just with these cars, not just with these houses, not just with the daily day items that we buy on the regular. Just make sure everything that you get, you know, you strive to make it better, including yourself. Work on yourself, your mental health, your mental peace. You know, get right with yourself. But this is a fairly new YouTube page, you know, pandemic. And yeah, I got rid of the 2SS Camaro, you know, the 6.2 with that 8-speed transmission. 2016, had it summer white with the black trunk on it. Y'all know I love that vehicle. 200 on the dash, but you know what? I needed a more comfortable vehicle. That's all it was. I might return to the sports car life. I might even go buy a Mopar, maybe a Challenger or something like that. But you know, it's your boy. It is what it is. It's life. Man, I love this. This is beautiful. Let's take this walk on the beach. I'll lock the car door first. Wow. Life is lovely. You gotta experience this. Honestly, you have to experience life. Got the mask on, pandemic style, you understand? Gotta keep it with you. Man, it's just a beautiful, beautiful lifestyle, you know? It don't take much. Just some good sushi, you know, some water. And we out here.